Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to fill forms using the S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can hover the S Pen over any form field and a handwriting panel appears. So you can basically write directly on a PDF, and Samsung S Pen feature will automatically allow you to fill in that form and then save it as a PDF. So let me show you how to do this. So here I've got a S Pen out and I'll go ahead and open up the Note app. Go ahead and make this full screen. You're gonna go back to this main page here. Now to edit a PDF, so for example, a job application form, or maybe just a driving license form, you can go ahead and save it to your Samsung S25 Ultra. Go ahead and tap on this PDF Plus. Now go ahead and find it. So I'll go into my download application, and here I'll go ahead and just open up a PDF. So here this is a 6-form subject entry requirements. Now let's just say, for example, I need to go ahead and sign this application. So I can go ahead and use the pen feature, and I can go ahead and sign it. I can go ahead and highlight anything I like over here. Now once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and tap on the 3 dots at the top, then tap on Save as File, and I can go ahead and save this as a PDF file. Now I can go ahead and choose where I want to save it. Give it a name, and now that PDF file has been saved. So now when we go ahead and open the same PDF file, let's just say open it in Notes again, you'll see that all my changes which I've done has been saved onto that PDF file. So this is a fast and intuitive way of filling in PDFs on your Samsung S25 Ultra. No more paying for apps that can fill application forms for you. You can basically do it on your phone itself. So there you go guys, that is how to fill in PDF forms using your S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.